I've come from Mumbai and I study in Our Lady of Fatima University in Philippines. I'm currently in first year of medicine. When we came here, we did our BS degree, that was for 1 year, and now we are doing our medicine. After BS course, we give an NMAT exam also, that is National Medical Admission Test. It is mainly based on the +1 and +2 syllabus, so it is quite easy to score in that. Then after that you do our medicine, and it is for 4.5 years. And
how's the experience at OLFU?
It's a good experience. The faculty is really nice here. The curriculum is based on US curriculum, and the exams are all objective. But the department is really nice, and
somebody's here. Has come. Is it? Professor has come. Okay. Continue.
And you get to meet a lot of people here because.
Sure. Would you recommend OLFU to students?
Yeah, what?
Will you recommend students?
Yeah, I really recommend because
why?
It's one of a very good university in Philippines, and they even train you for USMLE. After medicine, you can go for USMLE exam.
From the first year onwards?
No, I guess in third year they train you. And also for MCI screening, it is easier.
Okay, that's nice. Thank
you.
Marathi.
I am Master Shailen Reddy. I am studying in OLFU first year MD. Actually, the medicine course in OLFU is like, first we have to do for BS for 1 year, then the medicine course is for 4 years. In BS they usually teach everything like about medical and some of 12th in syllabus of Maharashtra. You can see in CBSE syllabus the 12th is already continued in BS, and some of the basic knowledge of medicine is also taught in BS. BS is for 1 year post duration, then afterwards you need to give a certain entrance exam, that is NMAT. So that actually there is a criteria, like you should need like a passing percentage in order to get into medicine.
40, right?
Yeah, 40. It depends.
How easy or tough is that 40?
Like it depends, like it's according to percentile. Like if there is 1,000 student.
We know 40 percentile. How easy or tough is to clear the exam? How much did you study to clear you have cleared the exam?
Yeah.
How much did you study to clear the exam?
It depends on person to person. Like if a normal person, it depends on the person. Like if you study for 2 hours also, it's enough for a good individual who studies. Who like in average you need to study 3 hours a day. That's enough. Actually, the NMAT is exam basically in 2 parts. First part is like all skills based, general knowledge and analytical, and second is like theory, basic concepts in physio, bio, and some general knowledge is also there in second part. If you clear NMAT then you will get admission in MD first year. Basically I am in first year, so first year you need to study hard. Here the teachers are very good in teaching. If you have any doubt, you can ask the professor. Even the classrooms are good. Even the labs are good. In anatomy lab, for like in one group there are at least 7-8 members. They give 1 cadaver. It's good. Basically in India you can see that in medical college there are for 1 cadaver the 15 to 20 students are there. Here it's good. And interactive between teacher and students are also good. The first thing I selected Philippines was the language, because English in Philippines only you can see the professors are teaching in English. Like if you go in Russia, you need to do 1 year Russian language, then they will teach in Russian. In China also same, but in China the name also changes according to their script. And in Philippines, I suggest you OLFU is the best university I know ever in Philippines, and that's it.
What about your hostel facility?
It's good.